Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada, UK, and I also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs including USD Japanese yen. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. So this analysis is for 25th Feb 2021 Thursday only. Okay, I'll come down tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, let's see what we need to do with the USD Japanese yen for Thursday. Okay, so right now we can see that it's trading at 106.09, and you can see I have marked down two important levels. On the upside I have got 106.20, and on the uh, lower side I have got 104.95. Okay, so we can see that market tried to cross this level but failed again. Tried, okay, it failed, and market came down and came down to the levels of 104.9. Okay, but from there market took support and bounced. Okay, but before reaching this particular zone, okay, 106.20, market faced some resistance. It came down, took some rest, again went up. It almost broke the previous high. Okay, then again came down, made a higher low here. Market did not break the previous low, rather it made a higher low. Okay, again went up a little. Okay, again slightly crossed the previous high. Okay, made a higher high, and now it is coming down again. So so market is making higher highs. We can see that overall, though market is struggling here, okay, but market is not making lower lows, rather it is making higher highs and higher lows. So that's a good sign. Okay, so this means that there are still some bulls present in the market who are not allowing the market to sleep. So this level of 106.20 is very crucial. Okay, right now we cannot say anything how market will react once it hits the 106.20 level. Okay, therefore let's wait for some time and see how market reacts after hitting this level. Maybe market will hit. Generally whenever a situation like this happens, market makes higher highs and lower higher highs and higher lows. Okay, generally we get to see a breakout. Okay, generally we get to see a breakout. Okay, but market may reverse also. So therefore what do we need to do? Okay, in case market reaches 106.20 level, then you just observe how price is reacting at the resistance. If market successfully crosses this level, let me draw. If market successfully crosses this level, then let market trade above this level for 1 hour at least. Okay, let market be comfortable over the resistance. Let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, if market, see, market may go up, and if you execute the order immediately, then there is a high chance that market may reverse, and ultimately your stop loss will be hit. Therefore let market go up, let market sustain above the level, let market feel comfortable, let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, and in case market fails to break the level, and if reverses from there, then, and if you see that market is coming down, okay, still I'll say that that would not be an ideal position to short term market, because market was making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, market was in uptrend. Therefore you should only short term market below this level, 105.80. If you see that market could not break the resistance, and there is a heavy selling pressure, okay, then you can short the market below this level. Okay, you can short the market somewhere around here. by 105.80 level, you can short the market if the selling pressure is eminent or heavy enough. Otherwise, this price level of 106.20 is very important as of now. And in case market comes down heavily and hits the ground, market hits this blue line of 104.90 level, okay, 104.9 level, okay, then definitely this area will provide some support to the market. And if you see that after hitting the market, after hitting this price level, market has got some support, and if it bounces from here, okay, then also you can buy. But as of now this level is not important because market is in the resistance zone. Okay, so let's see how market reacts at this price level. That is important. If markets crosses this level and trades comfortably above this level, then it's a thumbs up. If it reverses, then you can short the market below this level. So this should be your strategy for USD Japanese yen for 25th Feb 2021 Thursday. Okay, and so that's it. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay, I'll come down tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. Till then, good luck, take care, and if you want to know more about me, then you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.